Hi dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter named money. If we want to buy anything, we need money. Money is not everything, but money is something. Money allows people to obtain what they need to live. So, it is very important thing for human life. Indian money is found in the form of rupees and paisa. In short, RS is written for rupees and P for paisa. Money is used both in the form of coins and notes in our country. The different coins that we use, they are 50 paisa, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. See, this is 1 rupees note and this is 2 rupees note. This is 5 rupees note and this is 10 rupees note. See, this is 20 rupees note and this is 50 rupees note. See, first one is 100 rupees note and next is 500 rupees. This is 1000 rupees note and this one is 2000 rupees note. Say 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Then 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Dear children, we can add up coins and notes with the same value by skip counting. See, first picture, 7 coins of 2 rupees. You see, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins of 2 rupees. When we add together these coins, we will get 14 rupees. Next one, 3 notes of 10 rupees. First you see, first one 10 rupee plus again 10 rupee, then we will get 20, again 10 rupee note, then 20 plus 10 is equal 30. When we will add together these notes together, we will get 30 rupees. See, sometimes the coins or notes are of different values. In such cases, we can count money by starting with the biggest amount first and then adding smaller amount. So, first we shall take 10 rupees coin. Then add 5 rupees coin with it. Then we get 15 rupees. Again, we add one more 5 rupees coin. Then we get 20 rupees. Lastly, we add 2 rupee coin. Then we get 22 rupees. Find the total value. There are 4 2 rupees coins. When we add all together, we get 8 rupees. See, 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. So, 8 rupees. The next one is, there are 6 5 rupees coins. When we add all together, we get 30 rupees. See, first one 5 rupees plus 5 equal 10. Again 10 plus 5 equal 15. Then 15 plus 5 equal 20. Then 20 plus 5 equal 25. Then 25 plus 5. 25 plus 5 equal 30. Then we get 30 rupees. See, there are 4 10 rupees notes. We can add now. See, first 10 rupee note. Then 10 plus 10 equal 20. Then 20 plus 10 equal 30. Then 30 plus 10 equal 40. You got 40 rupees. The next one. First one is 50 rupees note. Then second is 20 rupees note. The next is 10 rupees note and again 10 rupees note. See, first one is 50 rupees note plus 20 rupees note. So 50 plus 20 equals 70. Then 70 plus 10 equal 80. And 80 plus 10 equal 90. We got 90 rupees. Find the place value of each collection of notes and coins. See, first 5 rupees coin. 5 plus 2 rupees coin. 7. Then 7 plus 2 equal 9. Then 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Then 12 plus 1, 13. Then we got 13 rupees. Take the coins to buy the objects. See, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Then plus 2 rupees, 12 rupees. Plus 2 rupees, 14 rupees. Plus 1, 15 rupees. When we add all these coins together, we get 15 rupees. The next one is 10 rupees coin plus 10 rupees coin, 20 rupees, plus 5 rupees coin, 25 rupees, plus 1 rupee coin. Then we will get 26 rupees. So revision test. First one, write the number 4. First one is 62, 62, 62. Then second one is 48, 48, 48. The next one is 97, 97, 97. Next is 75, 75, 75. The next section, arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means big to small. Biggest to smallest. First one is 51, 92, 27 and 76. See, when we will arrange, we will get these numbers 92, 76, 51 and 27. Next one is 32, 43, 86 and 9. See, we can arrange like this 86, 43, 32 and 9. The last one is 59, 61, 25 and 82. See, 82, 61, 59 and 25. Next one, add or subtract. First one is 52 plus 6 is equal to 58. First you add in the ones column. 2 plus 6 will get 8. Then 5 you can write down. Then 58. The next one is 73 plus 15. We will get 88. 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 88. The next one is 87 minus 52. 7 minus 2 equal 5. 8 minus 5 equal 3. Then 87 minus 52 equal 35. The next is 69 minus 24. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Then 6 minus 2 equal 4. We will get 69 minus 24 equal 45. Next one is fill in the blanks. 65 minus 20 equal 45. The next one is 52 plus 30 equal 82. The next one is 80 minus 30. We will get 50. Count how much money. There are 4 2 rupees coin. When we add all together, we will get 8 rupees. Then second one, 2 10 rupees notes plus 1 5 rupees coin. Then plus 1 2 rupees coin. When we add all together, we will get 27 rupees. The next one 50 rupees note and 1 20 rupees note plus 1 10 rupees note plus 1 rupees coin. When we add all together, we will get 81 rupees. See next one, write T for true and F for false statements. First one is after Saturday, it comes Friday. This is false. After Saturday will come Sunday comes after Saturday. So this is false. Next one, 250 paisa coins make 1 rupee. This is true. The next one, a triangle has 3 sides. This one also correct. So we can write T for true. The next one is a pace is shorter than a handspan. This is false. A handspan is shorter than a pace. So we can write F for false. Okay, all of you go through the video and write your homeworks. Okay, thank you.